Hello, and how can I support you today? I'm the animated IT guy here at Logical Admin. Today we'll go over how to manage your Chrome bookmarks and list. Let's start with opening Google Chrome. Find the Chrome icon on your desktop or on the taskbar at the bottom of your screen. The Chrome icon looks like a colorful circle with red, green, yellow, and blue in it. Click it to open Chrome. Let's access the bookmarks and lists. Look up at the top right corner of Chrome. Do you see the three dots? The three periods stacked atop one another. Click on those dots to open the menu. Now click where it says Bookmarks and Lists. Then look for Bookmark Manager and click that. Great. Now you're in the Bookmark Manager. Let's go over adding a bookmark. If you're on a web page you want to save, go to the address bar at the top, where you see the website link. On the right side of that bar, there's a little star icon. Click on that star, and a box will pop up. You'll have the option to save your bookmark in different places, like the Bookmarks bar, or you can create a new folder. Choose your location and click Done. And you've added your bookmark. Let's create a folder to organize your bookmarks. In Bookmark Manager, look over to the left side. Right-click in the white space, or right-click on an existing folder. Now choose Add Folder, and give your folder a name that makes sense for you, like Recipes or Work. When you're ready, click Save. Now you can drag and drop bookmarks into these folders to keep things neat and tidy. Now let's look at editing a bookmark. In Bookmark Manager, find the bookmark you want to change, right-click on it, and select Edit. A small box will appear where you can change the bookmark's name or update the web address. When you're done, click Save. Easy, right? A bookmark. Find the bookmark you don't need anymore and right-click on it. Then select Delete from the menu. And just like that, the bookmark is gone. Now on to using the Bookmarks bar. You might want to keep the Bookmarks bar visible for quick access to your favorite sites. Go to the three dots in the top right corner again. Then click on Bookmarks. Select Show Bookmarks bar to keep your bookmarks right under the address bar. Now you can drag bookmarks in and out of the bar or rearrange them however you like. Last, let's go over syncing bookmarks across devices. If you want to have your bookmarks available on all your devices, you'll need to turn on Sync. Click the three dots to open the menu and go to Settings. Then find Sync in Google Services and click on it. Make sure Sync is turned on and choose Bookmarks to save them to your Google account. This way you can access your bookmarks from any device where you're signed into Chrome. And that's it. Now you're all set to manage your Chrome bookmarks and keep them organized. Remember, at any time, if you feel this list is too daunting, you can always reach out to a Logical Admin Help Desk representative by heading over to logicaladmin.com and clicking the green chat icon in the lower right-hand side of our site. Or email helpdesk@logicaladmin.com. As always, we look forward to supporting you.